Okay, hi guys, this is 101Z, real quick video. I just want to show it's right out of the box. We did like detail review, just a classic straight cut. I just love it. Basically 101Z is what Lee 101 Rider used to be back in 60s and 70s when, you know, James Dean was wearing, Jack Nicholson in Shining, as you guys know, was wearing exactly the same jeans. So I love just a regular straight cut. I think I would just, I'll keep this. It comes in two colors. This is in dry and it comes in dark dry. So the dark dry is kind of very, very typical, sort of like a Levi 101, dark indigo. This is on the lighter side, but actually pretty nice color. It's a little more bluish, but let me show you around. So it's super nice. I love this, and it's such a great value. This is actually, I think it's about 200 bucks, versus like Levi Selvedge denim. It's like, 260, 300. So this is a beautiful, Kaihara. I think it's actually by Kaihara Mill. It's about 13. It's a little lighter than Rider. It's about 13 ounces. It's great for all seasons, and it will shrink the lengthwise. Probably, and which I don't mind. I have like a couple extra inches. My regular 501 size is 34, 32. So this Lee, they tend to be larger, and this is 33, and they fit perfect. So I'm like 5.9, height about 180 pounds. So it's a I got a little belly, I know, but it perfect fit for me. And I think this one I would just keep it for a long time. I'm just love it. So basically, and well, thanks so much guys for watching. If you like it, please push the like button or subscribe, and we'll see you soon again.